In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier and Miro board. So we're going to go create a new Zap. Now there's a ton of options here. You can use Miro board as the trigger, or you can have it as the action. So if it's at the trigger, we'll type in Miro here. So there's no triggers available for it. Okay, cool. So instead we can go to, let's say, Google Docs, event, new document. So let's say there's a new document in Google Docs and we want to send that to Miro. So do this. We go Miro here. So you could create a card widget. Continue. You'd connect this here, and then you'll be able to select the variables here. So what it would do is it would every time a new document is posted in Google Docs, it would create a new card widget in Miro. And then what you could also do, you could add another action here, which would be like Discord. So you could notify people. So you could notify them that there's a new widget made in Miro and that they need to work on it. So this is just an easy automation. Just fiddle around with it. Think of your workflow. Do what you need with it. Once you're ready, publish it, turn it on, and it's going to automate this every single time. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. That helped. Thanks for watching.